Is DaVinci Resolve a good video editor for beginners? I'm filming this with a smartphone. Yes, DaVinci Resolve is a great video editor for beginners, and the best part is that the basic version is free. It is an industry standard that is used globally in commercial video production. What is not so cool about DaVinci Resolve is that it's not very intuitive for a beginner who wants to make simple talking head videos with some transitions and overlay texts. I want to make that a little easier for you. If you're a complete beginner, check my 1-minute tutorial for DaVinci by clicking on the card. When I started using DaVinci Resolve, I migrated from Hitfilm Express, which was a very simple and intuitive video editor. To be honest, I was a little lost in the beginning with the user interface of DaVinci. But then I figured out that the Edit tab is for editing, Color tab is for adjusting colors and adding filters and grading and so on, and Delivery tab is for rendering to export your videos. Then it was pretty straightforward to figure out the rest. I'm going to publish more DaVinci beginner tutorials to make it easier to learn, so subscribe to my channel if you want more content like this. To hear my opinion, DaVinci Resolve is a great video editor for solopreneurs, even if they are beginners. Here's why. It has all the functions you'll need. It's free and YouTube has many tutorials for it. What it doesn't do yet is to cut the video for you. To save hours in editing every month, I use first Bling AI to automatically cut out the bad takes and silent moments and then bring the file to DaVinci. If you want to learn my workflow and start building your channel for your personal brand, I have a mini course called YouTube for Solopreneurs. Click the link in the description to get it.